As you embark on another day, consider this. Your breakfast can do more than just satisfy hunger. It can be the first step in a daily routine that supports and enhances your kidney health. The concept of a morning detox is not just a trend. It's a powerful tool for promoting overall well-being and longevity. The kidneys, vital organs in our body, work tirelessly to filter waste, toxins, and excess fluids from our blood. They are central to maintaining a balanced internal environment, enabling our bodies to function optimally. However, in our fast-paced, modern lifestyle, factors such as poor diet, dehydration, and exposure to pollutants can strain our kidneys, leading to decreased efficiency and, over time, health issues. This is where the significance of a detoxifying morning routine comes into play. Starting your day with specific foods and habits aimed at cleansing your kidneys can boost their performance, help maintain their health, and prevent the accumulation of harmful substances. Incorporating a kidney-friendly detox into your morning regimen is more than just a cleansing ritual. It's a commitment to your health and an investment in your future. It sets the tone for a day filled with health-conscious choices and positive intentions. Moreover, a morning detox can rehydrate your body, jumpstart your metabolism, and provide essential nutrients, setting you up for a day of success both nutritionally and energetically. Let's explore how integrating certain fruits and habits into your breakfast can support kidney health, ensuring these vital organs are primed for optimal performance throughout the day and beyond. Remember, a healthy morning leads to a healthy body, and it all starts with the right breakfast. Cranberries. Known for preventing urinary tract infections, cranberries can also benefit the kidneys by preventing bacteria from sticking to the bladder and urinary tract, facilitating the flushing out of toxins. They are rich in antioxidants and unique compounds like proanthocyanidins. You can consume them as pure, unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid excess sugar, which is better for kidney health. Alternatively, add them to your breakfast in dried form, sprinkled over cereal, or blended into a smoothie. Lemons and limes. These citrus fruits are abundant in vitamin C, which is essential for reducing inflammation and preventing kidney stone formation. Starting your day with a glass of water with freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice can help enhance your body's ability to flush out toxins. This habit can stimulate your digestion and promote kidney health. The natural citrate found in these fruits can also help in breaking down potential kidney stone formations. Watermelon. This fruit is not only refreshing but also acts as a natural diuretic, helping to increase urine production and thereby flushing the kidneys. Its high water content and significant levels of potassium aid in the effective processing of wastes by the kidneys. Eating watermelon can help reduce uric acid in the blood, thus supporting the kidneys in their filtration process. You can consume watermelon slices, add them to salads, or enjoy a fresh watermelon juice for breakfast. Apples. Apples are a powerhouse of health, especially for the kidneys. They are high in fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol levels and aids in digestion, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. This is particularly beneficial for the kidneys, as a healthy digestive system reduces the chances of toxins re-entering the bloodstream and kidneys. Additionally, apples contain anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. The natural anti-inflammatory properties can help prevent kidney infections and can aid in the management of kidney stones. Eating an apple a day, whether as a whole fruit, sliced in oatmeal, or juiced, can be a simple yet effective addition to your kidney health regimen. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are renowned for their high antioxidant content, particularly vitamin C and manganese. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are risk factors for kidney disease. Berries are also a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing stress on the kidneys. Furthermore, The natural compounds found in berries, such as flavonoids, have been shown to improve kidney function and reduce the risk of chronic kidney diseases. Integrating a mix of these colorful fruits into your breakfast, whether in a smoothie, as a topping on whole grain cereal, or in a fresh fruit salad, can enhance your morning detox routine while supporting kidney and overall health. Cherries. Cherries are another excellent choice for kidney health, thanks to their high content of antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and vitamin C. These compounds are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties, which help reduce stress on the kidneys by neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation. This is especially beneficial for individuals suffering from conditions like arthritis or gout, where kidney stress is a concern due to high levels of uric acid. Regular consumption of cherries has been linked to reduced markers of inflammation and a lower risk of kidney disease. They can be consumed fresh, as a juice, preferably unsweetened, or added to your breakfast dishes for a burst of flavor and health benefits. Grapes. Both red and purple grapes are a rich source of resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant known for its heart health benefits and its ability to reduce inflammation and blood sugar levels. For the kidneys, resveratrol plays a significant role by helping to improve blood flow and kidney function, potentially mitigating the effects of kidney-related issues such as high blood pressure and diabetic kidney disease. Grapes also help in reducing the risk of forming kidney stones by lowering uric acid levels in the blood. Adding a serving of grapes to your breakfast can be a delicious way to enjoy these benefits. You can eat them fresh, add them to fruit salads, or drink pure grape juice as part of a kidney-friendly diet. Pineapple. This tropical fruit is notable for its low potassium content, making it a safer choice for those with kidney issues who need to monitor their potassium intake. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory and digestive properties, which can help reduce inflammation associated with kidney problems and improve overall kidney function. Additionally, pineapple aids in breaking down protein wastes in the blood, which can be beneficial for people suffering from kidney diseases. Eating pineapple as part of your breakfast can aid in detoxification and help maintain kidney health. It can be consumed fresh, added to smoothies, or used as a tangy topping on yogurt or cottage cheese. Kiwi. Packed with vitamins C, K, and E, along with potassium and antioxidants, kiwis offer multiple health benefits, particularly for the kidneys. The high vitamin C content helps in preventing oxidative stress and supports the immune system, which is vital for patients with kidney disease. Additionally, the fiber in kiwi helps control blood sugar levels, manage blood pressure, and reduce cholesterol, which are all beneficial for kidney health. The potassium in kiwi aids in balancing electrolytes and ensuring proper fluid balance in the body. Including kiwi in your breakfast can promote kidney health, and it can be eaten on its own, mixed into a fruit salad, or blended into a nutrient-packed smoothie. Papaya. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, papaya is excellent for improving kidney health and function. These vitamins act as antioxidants, reducing inflammation in the kidneys and helping to prevent kidney damage. Papaya's high fiber content also aids in lowering high cholesterol levels, which is beneficial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Moreover, the fruit contains papain, an enzyme that helps improve digestion and reduce stress on the kidneys by easing the breakdown of proteins. Consuming papaya for breakfast can support kidney detoxification and overall health. It can be enjoyed as a fresh fruit bowl, blended into a smoothie, or used to make a tropical fruit salad. In conclusion, embracing a morning routine that includes kidney detoxifying fruits is more than just a daily habit. It's a nurturing gesture towards your body and well-being. Apples, berries, cherries, and other kidney-friendly foods offer a delicious and natural way to cleanse your system, reduce inflammation, and provide your body with the nutrients it needs for optimal performance. By incorporating these fruits into your breakfast, you are not only supporting your kidneys, but also setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. Remember, your health is the most valuable asset you have. Investing time and effort into maintaining your kidney health can lead to significant long-term benefits, including improved energy, better digestion, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. So, start each day with intention and mindfulness by choosing foods that support detoxification and nourish your body. As you move forward, let your breakfast be a daily renewal, a moment to recommit to your health and well-being. Embrace the power of natural foods and let your morning ritual be a foundation for a life filled with vitality and wellness. Your kidneys, and indeed your entire body, will thank you.